Racing just started, bring it on, break quickly on the start. Security Joy moving up now on the outside, then followed over by Carefree Treasure, Glass Catfish, Marcus Wolf, Manila's Queen, down on the inside is Love Minstrel, Jonas Recipe, Tiffany's Beauty comes next, Unica Champa, while Don Martino is the early trailer, and as they swing down the back, we have bring it on by about 4 lengths. Security Joy in second, Glass Cockpit is racing in third, then comes Carefree Treasure. Marcus Wolf comes next, moving upon the outside, Manila's Queen, Love Minstrel, Jonas Recipe, Tiffany's Beauty, Don Martino, while Unica Champ now racing in 11th, and at the far turn, Security Joy now takes command, moving upon the outside, Carefree Treasure, Marcus Wolf, moving up now is Manila's Queen, then followed by Glass Cockpit, Jonas Recipe comes next, Tiffany's Beauty, bring it on, Unica Champa, and as they swing for home, we have Security Joy, this time by about 3 lengths, Carefree Treasure in second, then on the outside is Manila's Queen, with about 100 meters of the race, we have Security Joy, Manila's Queen is on the outside, Security Joy, Manila's Queen, and finally Security Joy, Manila's Queen, then comes Carefree Treasure, Jonas Recipe, Tiffany's Beauty, and Don